Today we will talk about linked list. Like array, linked list is a linear data structure. Unlike array, linked list elements are not stored at a contiguous location, while array are stored on contiguous memory location, that is starting from 200 to 2006. Data is UVFDAEC index start from 0 to 6. Array, the data of array can be retrieved through index. Again, array is contiguous memory location, item 0, item 1, item n minus 1, that is depend on size of the array. Whether linked list, the concept of node comes. These nodes may be stored anywhere in memory, not at contiguous location but at different portion of the memory location. Linked list start with head node. Head node contain data and a pointer to next node. Here A, B, C, D are four nodes in linked list. Head point to first node. First node contain the pointer of second node. Second node contain the pointer of third node. Third node contain the pointer of fourth node. The pointer are pointing null. Here null means again no node is available in this list. Then node D contains pointer null. The element of linked list use pointers to point different nodes of the parts of linked list. Linked list. Why we use linked list? Array have the following limitations. The size of array is fixed, so we must know the upper limit of the array in advance. Allocated memory is equal to the upper limit irrespective of usage. Inserting new element in array is expensive because we have to create room to insert new element, and all these elements after the new nodes will have to shift it. For example, ID is an array containing these elements. If you want to insert a new element 1005 up, then we have to move all these elements 1010, 1050, 2000 and 2040 to right, making room for this new element. Deletion is also expensive as well as insertion in linked list. Linked list advantage over array is dynamic size. Insertion and deletion is easy in linked list, but some drawback with linked list. In linked list, random access is not allowed. We have to access elements sequentially, starting from the first node, pointing by head. Then we traverse second node with the help of head. Head contains pointers of first node, then second node. Thus, we can traverse in linked list sequentially. Extra memory space is required to store pointer. Linked list is not cache friendly. Array and linked list both are linear data structure. Array is sequence of an item of same data type. Linked list sequence of zero or more nodes containing two kind of information, some data and link. That is also called pointer to other node of linked list. Two type of list, singly linked list, doubly linked list. In singly linked list, one pointer that is called next pointer pointing to next node of the linked list. In doubly linked list, two pointer are maintained. First is next and second is previous. Previous node as well as next node of the linked list is known. Array is fixed length size, contiguous memory location required. Direct access is possible through indexing. Insertion deletion is expensive. If sorted array, moving up element require creation of rule. In linked list, dynamic length possible, arbitrary memory location. Node are assigned to arbitrary memory location. Node cannot be accessed randomly. Sequential traversal is possible and we can find the desired node. Insertion deletion is easy. So this all over for the day one. Thank you.